Hello friends. So today I will talk about uh, the reactive and template-driven form in Angular, and what form you can use, like which is suitable for a project. So if you have complex project and you have lots of controls, so in that case generally we prefer the reactive form control. And like if you have few controls, then you can handle that manually. Like in that case, you can use template-driven form. So I will give you the with the code. I will show you like how we can differentiate between those so that you will get more clear idea, so that you can easily choose in your for project. So let me share. Let me. I have created a small demo, so you will get more idea of that. So let me open the form control. So it is a reactive form component. We open that. So reactive form component. Okay, so now it's ready. Let's open this component. I will give you an example. So from that you will get understanding of both kind of forms. So yeah, let's take the single detail form. So it will from this you will get more idea. So here, like in the template driven form and in the reactive form, so yeah, the controls aren't totally different, like the way of handling all those controls. So if you see here, single detail component. So here, for the template driven, so it is kind of a manual approach. So here we create ng model, and like if you have 10 inputs in your form, so you need to create the 10 ng model and just declare it like that. If you see here, so here like that, like 10 properties you will 10 group properties you will create for that. So and if you talk about the reactive form, so in the reactive form we generally use form control name. So here in the form control we have this, like means you can, if you have 50 10, 60 any controls here, so you just need to create in a simple object. So here, if you see, like I have created like that, so it is I created a group. So in that group, like we are declaring the component, like if you have another control game and player control, so all these controls you can add like that here. And this thing, and so while creating the reactive form we will create that in the group. So here we created the my group. So just so this, if you check the type of this my group, so it is a form group. So it is a, we are simply creating an of groups of elements. So here we can declare multiple elements. And in my last video I talk about like, with each form there are multiple properties that with that we can add validations, and we can validate the data, like we have status, like is it a correct value or not, if value is entered or not, and is it a value correct value or not. So yeah, you can add those values also. And also, and if you want to use this reactive form, for that you need to import the reactive form module. It is must if you are using that, because otherwise it will throw the error. So that is why it is important to import that in the module, which in whichever modular component is. And let's coming to more on this. Yeah, and just to submit that value, let's see. Let me add the submit button here. I think it is not added. So submitted values, it is a different thing. Okay, so this is the correct button. So here if you see, we will get the value of this. Okay, so determine value. So yeah, you can check the status of each control like with this also. So here there are multiple controls. So this is under this group. So this is game control, this is political value, status, valid and valid, all these things we can add. Yeah, thanks guys for watching. If you have any doubt, you can comment it out.